Are you a sales professional or business owner who would like to hit it out of the park this year? Would you like to blast off in 2016 and make this your best year yet? How would it feel if you had a 10%, 50%, or even 100% increase in revenue? What would it be like if your bottom line was better, if your bank account was fatter, if your wallet always had money in it? What would it feel like if you were working in your area of passion each and every day, if you were spending the day doing things that you truly love to do and are good at doing? What if you could delegate tasks that are mundane but need to be done to others that were qualified and didn't cost you a fortune? We can help you with all of these and more. I'm Kathy Boyle, president of Chapin Hill Advisors. I've worked with dozens of business owners. I've seen them make all kinds of mistakes. Some have failed, some have run businesses into the ground, some multi-generational sales have gone kaput. Others have fallen, stumbled, and gotten back up and rebuilt their business. I'm a business owner. I've made lots of mistakes. I've made every mistake under the sun, I feel like. I was able to start a business 2 years ago with a partner, and we tripled sales in the first year. So if I can do this, you can too. My partner in crime is Rick Glover. Rick is founder and president of Zany Media. Rick's specialty is the internet and marketing through it. He helps all kinds of business owners increase their sales, increase their marketing presence through the internet. He's got access to virtual staff who are educated, multiple degrees, and can help you. The two of us together will give you an action-packed 2-hour live workshop on Wednesday, January 27th at Water Cooler Hub in Tarrytown, New York. $40 for 2 hours. Sign up. You can click on the link above this video and sign up. We still have a few seats left. This is a very limited, interactive workshop for business owners who are ready to commit to success. We look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.